Welcome to the CB Split screencast. In this screencast, we will learn how to use snippet insertions in CB Split CMS. Step 1. Log into your CB Split account. From the top menu, go to Item Content and then click Snippet Insertions. Step 2. Creating a snippet. Before using the Snippet Insertions feature, you need to create a snippet. To do this, navigate to the Snippet module. For this example, we've already created a snippet called Hello. It is a simple HTML paragraph that says, "Hello World." This snippet is now reusable and can be inserted into any web page or layout. Step 3. Using a snippet. To use the snippet in a web page, copy the provided shortcode and paste it into the desired location on your web page. Step 4. Auto-inserting snippets. If you want to insert a snippet and add code across multiple pages automatically, use the Snippet Auto Insertion feature. Here's how. Go to the Snippet Insertions page from the top menu. Click the plus button in the top right corner to open a pop-up. In the pop-up, select the snippet you would like to insert from the drop-down list. Configure where the snippet should be inserted, top or bottom of the web page. Click Create to save the rule. You can also customize the auto insertion rule to exclude certain pages. For example, if you don't want the snippet on a 404 page, open the rule and select the 404 page from the exclusion list. Save your changes. Step 5. Testing the auto insertion. To test if the auto insertion works, open a test page in CB Split CMS. Preview the page using the left navigation panel. You'll see the snippet content, Hello World, in the location you selected, such as the top of the page. If you want to move the snippet to the bottom of the page, go back to Snippet Auto Insertion, update the insertion location to bottom, save the changes and reload the test page. The snippet will now appear at the bottom of the page. That's how you use snippet insertions in CB Split CMS. This feature simplifies the process of managing reusable content across your web pages efficiently. Thank you for watching.